To DJ's Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XC, the 2 litre diesel R Sport, finished in my favourite colour. It's forensic Italian racing red. It's pearlescent, it absolutely pops. We've got the front park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels, R Sport body styling. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got the rear park distance control. Absolutely lovely. Great value for money. It's a lovely low mileage example. It's just going to be serviced, it's going to be MOT. It's literally just arrived, hasn't even been fully valeted yet. Boot area is lovely. It's got full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric seats. It's got satellite navigation, air conditioning. Just start the car up. So we've got lane assist, paddle shift on the gearbox. Just trying to get the mileage up here. Anyway, it's done 60,000 miles, just over. Heated steering wheel, that's very rare. Paddle shift on the gearbox. 3-stage heated seats. Aircon's blowing lovely and cold. Different driving modes: normal, eco, winter, race. Aux and a USB, nice console. Back to the home. So we've got Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music on this one as well. Camera system. Probably got a lot more that I haven't put in as well, but yeah, it's lovely. Wish I could get the mileage up, but I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. $62,383 miles. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.